Perfect. All right. I'm done.
All the closing numbers are good.
Okay.
No hanging. So my jaws are long. My pin is in.
Okay.
And my electric line is working as all the indicators and all the stuff is working. Now I'll check all the tires and everything. My side of the trailer is good.
When you're plugging your cord in, look down the trailer. You plug your cord in, this will come on and then go off. The other way you can do it, sit in your cab, turn your engine off. When you turn your engine back on, that should come on and come